guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have unboxing of Apocalyptic beauty. They have every month different theme, and this month's theme is Naga snake goddess, and they give like this info for all the products. And in this little bag I got 4 items. They are vegan, cruelty free, indie brand, and these products are all made in USA, and they do ship outside. So as I'm based in Belgium and I can order it, it's affordable and I don't pay any duties, which I like. So I have 4 items. I have a liquid lipstick, 2 eyeshadows, and a highlighter. And I'm wearing everything on my face. The highlighter is this. So let's go in and start with the liquid lipstick. It's shade called Medusa. I swatched it here, and this is also what is on my lips. I did needed to build it up, but it is very comfortable on lips. It's not drying at all. It doesn't feel drying. Obviously it's going to be because it's a liquid lipstick, but it doesn't feel very mega drying. And if I put more than 1 layer, it's not uncomfortable. It feels super light, so I'm really impressed. It's not a color what I usually wear, but I think it helps me get out of my comfort zone, and I really need it. I've been nude, pink, red, but I don't own any of this kind of grayish greenish shade, and I really like it. Then next we have the highlighter, and the shade is Serpentine, and it's also what's in my inner corner. When I first got it, I was like, oh, I can't not wear this. This is green, come on. But it looks beautiful on the cheekbones and on my nose. And here is the swatch of it. It's very reflecting. It's like green with like gold glitter in it. It's so pretty. I really like it. See, if I don't try things, and I feel like subscription boxes make me try new things, and I really need it. Now I have 2 beautiful eyeshadows. One is Ascara, and it's super beautiful. I put it in the lower lash line, blended it in with the darker green. It's so beautiful. I really like how my makeup came out. I like it's different, but I like it. And the next one is Gorgon. It's more this darker green, and this is what I have all over my lid. So yeah, I'm super happy with everything I got in this box. I don't remember the price exactly, but I will list everything on my blog if you wanna see. I will list their page where you can get it, and if they sell these items separately, I will try to find them and put up everything on my blog. So go check that out. It will be down below in the subscription box. But yes, this is it for this video. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.